And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Perfect.
What you running in here, man? 3 Bonce 15s on 2 DS18 10Ks.
Track with Yang right and left.
And you kept it clean in here. You kept it clean, looking good.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. Let them know where they can follow you at on YouTube.
You got BASSWITHKEV your shit.
Yeah, I know, man. What's up, man?
What up?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my TikTok's press play, please. And then my YouTube is Life of Platt.
Okay, I'm gonna be sure to tag them down below. Y'all give them a follow.
The sticker on the back window if you want to hit it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Y'all be sure to subscribe to the channel and get the video, the footage on the outside.
Hey, man, I appreciate you, bro.
Thank you, bro. I'll see you next time.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yeah, you still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, alright? You hear me?
Alright, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.